In a remarkable display of technological innovation, NASA Webb telescope has begun unfolding its gold-plated mirror. Although the James Webb Space Telescope, the world's most powerful space telescope, was launched in 2009, it was merely the beginning of the mission of this space-based observatory. After leaving Earth's atmosphere and traveling more than 2.5 miles away, it has now completed more than 70% of the journey to its final orbit around the Sun via NASA. Apart from traveling, the telescope is required to execute a number of additional functions. Despite the fact that the observatory several components must be enormous in order to collect the most accurate readings possible, there is only a limited amount of room available with the rocket. After being launched into orbit, the telescope needed to be unfolded in order to reach its fully operational state. The observatory recently completed the deployment of its 5-layer sunshield, which is the size of their tennis court and required tensioning into position. This was a key milestone for the facility. Following the installation of its secondary mirror and heat radiator, it may proceed to the next big task, unfolding the gorgeous hexagonal primary mirror that it has crafted. Obtaining and implementing the primary mirror is the first step. Engineers began unfolding the primary mirror on Friday, January 7, according to the manufacturer. This is one of the most aesthetically impressive components of the telescope, since it consists of 18 hexagonal gold-plated pieces that are arranged in a circular pattern. The primary mirror must be large because the amount of light that can be detected by the telescope is directly proportional to the size of the primary mirror, making it more precise via NASA. The mirror on James Webb is 6.5 meters, 21 feet in diameter, making it the last mirror to have been launched into space to date. It will be able to see deeper in space since it is larger than the 2.4 meter, 7.8 foot mirror used on the Hubble Space Telescope, which was built before it. Because it would be too huge and heavy to launch, engineers were unable to simply manufacture a mirror equivalent to Hubble's size of 6.5 meters, 21 feet in diameter. Rather than doing so, they used beryllium beads to make the James Webb mirror, which is both lightweight and durable. Having been folded in half to fit inside the rocket, it is now time for them to be unfolded and reassembled to their final configuration. Earlier this week, NASA announced that engineers has completed the deployment of one of the two primary mirror wings, which are the side panels that hold the mirror in place. The port side mirror wing was deployed at 8:36 a.m. and was completed at 2:11 p.m. According to the latest available information, the deployment of the starboard wing will take place over the weekend, which will be the next base. Afterwards, the telescope should be fully deployed into its final configuration, and it should be set to begin its journey into orbit.